Alam mo ma'am, talagang maaga na lang kami umalis ng bahay. Kasi lugi talaga yan sa gasolina ma'am, talaga. Grabe talagang buhay talaga, araw-araw ganyan ma'am. Talaga hindi makaiwas talaga. You know, I really appreciate talking to you. Kasi unlike other passengers, just ignore me.
Manong, sorry. Kailangan talaga kitang ililto ka. Pagod kasi ako eh. I appreciate your stories, pero I think I need a moment to recharge. Can we just enjoy the ride in silence for a bit?
Sometimes silence is the best music. Ma'am, dito na po tayo, ma'am. Kaya mo yan, ma'am.
Kaya niya rin po yan, sir.
Alam mo ba, ma'am?
Kuya, pa-open na po.
Ma'am, teka, ipakinggan mo muna yung kwento ko last na. Yung kasi as babaw itong kamag-anak namin, nag-birthday yan sa